Deputy Commissioner Ri Bhoi District Abilash Baranwal ulah thaw ya kawi Komiti bat kaba latip kum ka LPG Supply Monitoring Committee kabadi ka komiti banpej bat kami bat banpej banyak halor karukam sam ya kitendong silindar gas syakipaj ba hagisnong ba per ki badon Ri Bhoi District apa thaw ya kate ka komiti lawan ban ya simbenta lut dak baru ki obsar sarkar na kitna tri per lembat kinong sam gas Ri Bhoi District ha kabaling ba kate ke jingalang kidayo banyamir halor kani ke halor ke jingioh gas kipaj ba Ri Bhoi District.
So, as we understand, because of the international reasons, LPG cylinders are indeed in short supply as compared to the previous situation, as compared to the normal situation. However, as per the instructions of the government of Meghalaya, we have formed one district LPG supply monitoring committee. And we had our first meeting today itself, wherein we took stock of all the requirements that have been placed with the gas agencies. We also took stock of the current stock position of all the gas agencies. Simultaneously, we have asked them to give us the list of all the commercial consumers so that we can prioritize the commercial users especially. From what I have been given to understand, yes, there have been certain times when the domestic consumers have been returned, but as of now, the government has placed a restriction that any urban consumer can only get a cylinder after 25 days of the previous cylinder, and simultaneously a rural consumer can only get it after 45 days of the previous cylinder. What we have directed the gas agencies is that they must make sure that those who are in need should not be returned. Simultaneously, the government norms though have to be followed because they are bound by that. But apart from that, it should be strictly on a first come, first serve basis so that there is no opportunism, there is no favoritism that is taking place, and justice is done to everyone so that nobody is unjustly deprived of their legitimate rights of the gas cylinders. So the shortage is on both fronts, both the domestic as well as commercial. The supply is relatively lesser as what it used to be. However, I appeal to all the consumers that they need not panic. The government is trying to make sure that all the domestic as well as consumer commercial needs are met, and it's just that we want to request to the public to have some patience and abide by the norms that have been set in, that is of 25 days and 45 days for urban and rural consumers.